Phuket is the largest island in Thailand. It's located in the southwest of the country and is surrounded by the Paradise Islands of the Andaman Sea. It's a very popular tourist destination, and visitors from all over the world discover its rich culture and beautiful scenery. Phuket is easily accessible via major international centres like Bangkok, Hong Kong, Kuala Lumpur and Singapore. There are also direct flights from Australia and Europe. Phuket is popular yet unspoiled. No matter where you are on the island, you are never far away from beautiful, pristine beaches. Add to this wonderful food, a wide variety of activities, excellent infrastructure and a friendly people, and it's easy to understand why Phuket is known as the Pearl of the Andaman. Phuket International Hospital is one of the largest hospitals in the region, offering sophisticated diagnostic and therapeutic care in virtually every specialty of medicine and surgery. It's a long-established centre for medical care, located in the heart of Phuket, and provides world-class medical care to the local and international community. The hospital treats thousands of patients each year and has an enviable reputation for providing high-quality and cost-efficient hospital services, coupled with the warmth and caring nature that only Thai hospitality can provide. Among the many services the hospital provides are general medicine, surgery including plastic surgery and orthopedic surgery, health checkups, obstetrics and gynecology, cardiology, pediatrics, hemodialysis, dentistry, and traditional medicine including acupuncture. The doctors and nurses at Phuket International Hospital are trained to the highest standards, and it has a large number of residents and visiting foreigners who come for treatment. The hospital also has specialist international staff to cater to its foreign patients. Many people come to the International Hospital for treatment and combine it with a holiday in Phuket.
I thought the service was really nice. It was consistent. The nurses were lovely. They're very attentive and actually come in around the clock and make sure that you're okay.
They take care of you. Very professional. The nurses know what to do. The doctors know what happened. And you take care and everything is smooth.
Phuket International Hospital is a very large, one of the largest private hospitals in the southern part of Thailand, and the standards of clinical care, nursing care, and indeed the standards of care given by all the people who work at the hospital is extremely high. If I was to compare it to the standards that I've experienced while I was working in the Australian healthcare system, in some places I would say it is much better. At least, at a minimum, it would be on par with those that you would expect in Western countries.
Oh, the experience I had with the International Hospital was just wonderful, because I realised that I needed a hysterectomy, and knowing Peter Davison, the general manager, I came along and saw him. He came in and saw the GP, and went from there and I had the operation, and the care I got was exceptional.
Phuket International Hospital, for me, is a top standard hospital. I've been looked after, been treated very well, staff very polite, very professional.
Yeah, I really want to say that I like this hospital, and according to other hospitals I've been in around here, this is the best.
After being working abroad before, I feel that nursing care here is very high, up to the standard, to the international level. Some of our nurses have worked abroad before and gained tremendous experience, and hopefully they can use that experience to put it into practice in our nursing care.
I think coming to this country for treatment, if you were going to save money, it would definitely be worth thinking about. Like the hospital itself is clean and the staff are friendly, they speak English.
I think the biggest advantages of people coming to Phuket International Hospital is, first of all, the quality of care that they get. The quality, the standards are quite high, and also the cost. To some degree they can be half of the costs of, to 1/8 of the costs of those experienced in Western countries. There are no waiting lists, so people can have instant procedures done. So people we find come on holiday and they can relax by a resort, relax by the beach, and then come to the hospital and have their procedures done instantly.
It's always been fantastic. We've been using the hospital here since we've been on the island, which is 10 years. We've had quite a lot of experience. I've had operations here myself. My husband has been in here, and now my father, who's been living in Phuket for the last 6 years, he's 82, and he's in here at the moment, and the doctors are fantastic, and so are the nurses.
Phuket International Hospital is very much aware of the language barriers that some people may perceive are present, and we have employed a range of international coordinators who are fluent in a range of different languages. We have Japanese, Russian, Scandinavian, German, and other staff within the hospital who are fluent in a range of other languages.
As the medical director of Phuket International Hospital, I'm responsible for over 50 physicians that have a 24-hour service in this hospital, both inpatient and outpatient department. I will reassure foreigners who want to come here for our service that we have a high international standard of service.
Most of the people who visit Phuket International Hospital decide to have a plastic surgery type procedure. Some of them come for dental work. Many of them come for basic surgeries such as hernia surgery or indeed orthopaedic surgery, hip replacements, knee replacements.
Compared to other Western countries, we have a high nurse-patient ratio in order to provide high standard of care to patients.
At Phuket International Hospital we offer a range of medical and health check-up type programs where people can select actually a very cheap or rather more extensive check-up program.
If a friend asked me if they should come to Thailand for medical treatment, I would highly recommend it. Not only because of the service, but because of the quality and because of the price.
I would highly recommend the International Hospital to anybody in the world. As I say, you get first-class treatment. It is 5-star.
I think equally as good and in a lot of cases better than back home, wherever back home may be.
So I can say that it's been as good an experience as being in hospital can be.
At Phuket International Hospital we take our slogan quite seriously: international standards, international service and international care. And we do really try to live up to those standards.
100%, care is 100%.
Farväl och hej då.
See ya.
До свидания. До встречи.
Sayonara.
Auf Wiedersehen.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Phuket International Hospital. International standards, international service, international care.